Did you know that energy audits can reveal that your refrigerator might be the biggest energy hog in your home? Surprisingly, even if it's not running, it can still consume power due to phantom loads. This quirky fact highlights how energy audits uncover hidden energy drains, saving you money and reducing your carbon footprint. Imagine discovering that your seemingly innocent fridge is secretly guzzling energy. By addressing these unexpected culprits, you can make your home more efficient and eco-friendly. So next time you think of energy savings, remember the sneaky fridge.